Hello everyone, I'm back again. This time I have a 2018-19 Panini basketball cards. It has that in it, one autograph or memorabilia card, blaster exclusive, Donruss basketball. Using the selfie stick as a tripod. I'm trying to open with this. Alright. See if I can do a little bit better this time. Got my computer turned on. I'm trying to be closer to the microphone because my videos are really quiet for some reason. Oh well. Okay, let's see what we got. Who do you collect? What is this? This is what's in the box. It has 88 cards in it. Put these packs here. Empty box. Here's my best basketball card I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna put that on eBay or something. Alright. This is guaranteed to have at least one memorabilia card. Let's get to opening. Shall we? 8 cards per pack. Ages 9 and oh, there's that 8, 9. Alright. I missed it by actually 30 some years. Here we got. So I get this on camera. Jamal Murray. I like to see an upside down every card. Kyle Kuzma. Julius Randle, a special card. Alright. Stephen Curry. Jimmy Butler. Josh Okogie. That's my cat. Keita Bates something. And Brandon Knight. This is a special card. Number 10, I think. It's a franchise feature. I know he's a really good player, so that's good. Tripper. Quiet. She's playing with a toy. She said no. Pack number 2. And yes, I have shaky hands still. Whatever. Let's turn this a little bit this way. I need to find a tripod. I went to the thrift store today. I should have bought one. And look, Joe Ingles, Harrison Barnes, Jaylen Brown. Another oh, it must be in every pack. Franchise features Nikolai Jokic, Luke Kennard. Who are these people? Svi Mihalik, Justin Jackson, and Trevor Ariza. Pack number 3. So I definitely have to buy a tripod. Oh. That smell of brand new cards. I missed the gum in the cards. Kristaps Porzingis. He's got in trouble, I think. Uh-oh, I see a gold card. Avery Bradley. Zach Randolph. What is this? What is that? Marshawn Brooks. You can see it or not. It has like reflections in it. Dylan Brooks. Hey. What, they're brothers. They don't look alike though. A rated rookie. Kyrie Thomas. Another rated rookie. Landry Shamey. And Kyle Korver. See what this says. It's just a regular card actually. It says number 114. Just has the, I don't know what that is. It looks kind of cool on the camera. I'm not sure. I don't know where you find price guides anymore. Number 4, I believe. Hassan Whiteside. Kyle Lowry. Michael Kidd Gilchrist. What's this? Hawkins. Huh. John Wall. Trae Young. Jareen Jackson, and Thaddeus Young. Look at this card. It's a number 7. That's pretty cool. Rick Barry. Sure, basketball fans know who that is. I have no idea. Has like a, I don't know how to explain it. Tripper. She's playing with that stupid toy. She's not heat or anything. She's fixed. She's playing with toy. Bogdanovic. Matthew Dellavedova. A Deli Tray. Ricky Rubio. Another rookie king. Or no, that's all kings. Oh, that's numbered. Look at that. It's number 1. Jareen Jackson, check that out. I don't know if he's any good, but that's a really good pool. 1 of 99. That's actually really cool. Huh. Russell Westbrook. He's a good player, but yeah, he talks a lot. Lonnie Walker. Ely Okokoro. Rondae Hollis Jefferson. This is actually my best card of what out of these packs. Just for the fact it says number 1. 0-1 out of 99. Huh. Hopefully he's a really good player. I have no idea. So far they seem pretty cool. I don't know. Camera's turning. Evan Fournier. DeMarcus Cousins. I think they call him Boogie. Maybe. Joel Embiid. Westbrook League Leaders. Must be one to pack for all those cool cards. Danny Green. Miles Bridges. DeAndre Ayton. Stanley Johnson. I don't know if that 1 of 99 is a special card per box or not. Frank Nicotelina. CJ McCollum. Tobian Harris. I don't know those neat cards. The Rookie King. Dante DeFacino. I'm butchering their names because I have no idea. Blake Griffin. Kevin Herter. Guy looks goofy. DeAnthony Melton. And J. Michael Green. Let's see, I got 4 packs left. Was that part of the thing? One autograph from memorabilia. Laser and purple. Well, I got a laser card. I must have that one. Wait, I don't know if that's the. I don't know. Alright. Dwayne Wade. I know he just retired. James Harden. Willie Cauley-Stein. Kevin Durant. He's a really good player. Mark Gasol. Bruce Brown. Jerome Robinson. And Kevin Love. Actually, no. Oh, yeah, it was. Winner. I think he joined different teams to win championships. I think. Terrence Ross, Nikolai Volkov, Alfred Payton, who's that? Brandon Ingram, Tripper, trying to make a video, Tristan Thompson, Devontae Graham, Anafree Simmons, and Miles Turner. Tripper. Be quiet. Alright. Gordon Hayward. Mark King Gorat, Malcolm Brogdon. What is this? Court Kings, Dwight Howard. I always thought he was a good player if I remember correctly. Carmelo Anthony. Shea Gilgeous Alexander. Melvin Frazier. And Jeffrey Allen. Now 1 pack left. Now what? This is autograph or memorabilia card. What would be a memorabilia card? Video's past 10 minutes. I don't mean to make you guys keep watching. I'm just wondering. Let's see. Hollow Orange. Hollow Orange. So, is that one memorabilia card? I honestly don't know. This is it here. See a sparkly card looking thing. Stephen Curry. OG Anu would be. That's a interesting name. Original Gangsta. Will Barton. What's this? A Stephen Curry gold shiny card. LaMarcus Aldridge. Mo Bamba. Jared Vanderbilt. And Jeff Teague. I guess. I don't know. Supposed to be a memorabilia card. I'm guessing it's that 1 out of 99, I hope. Rookie jerseys. And parallels. 1 autograph or memorabilia card. Would that be considered a memorabilia card? That's it. All packs are open. I honestly do not know. Did I get anything good? I know you people know more about that than I do. Got a pretty cool Stephen Curry card. Oh, there he is again. It's the same card, but this one has gold on it. I don't know. Alright people, it's a long video. I didn't mean to make it that long, but thanks for watching everybody. See y'all later. Bye.